Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the weekly chart, or I would say the long-term chart over here of a Magnachip Semiconductor. Now Magnachip Semiconductor is actually a very interesting chart because not only it hits the upper end of the range, okay, because there is a range in between which it is moving. So not only it hits the upper end of the range, it has actually crossed that range. Okay, it has actually crossed that range, but it was somewhere down the line was a false breakout, and then the stock has indeed fallen down. But then the stock started moving higher. It is respecting its previous support, and that's what is the most important thing that you need to look and understand over here. Right, so what do we have here right now? So this is the range that I'm talking about, and what we are going to discuss is the next or the upcoming move for this particular stock. So let's start analyze the chart of Magnachip Semiconductor. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now as you can clearly see, the range that we are looking here is 5.515 and 6.35, which is the lowest end of the range, and 23.64 or let's say $24 is the highest end of the range. Stock has already tested $24 and it went up to $26, $27, but then we have seen a correction. The good thing about this chart is the stock is not volatile enough, which means I'm not saying that it does not have some very sharp corrections, but the trend is overall trend is intact. In some of the stocks we have specifically seen the sharp moves, the moves are so wild that it will change the entire trend, but here in this case it is not an issue. So right now, if I may analyze this trend, and I can see the support levels on the downside. Okay, I can see the support level on the downside, and here we are. The upper end of the range. I'm just trying to connect all the important support levels, nothing else. Right? So here we are. Now if I move towards the highest end of the range, then this is what we are looking. I'm just trying to tell you how the current range looks like, okay, but this is not at all the actual or the final range of the target. What you're gonna do right now is use these two levels, $15 and $13, whereas $15 is your immediate support and $13 is your stop loss, and you have only one target to look at, which is 23.64 or in between 23.64 and $30, for the simple reason we can't tell you whether the stock go like this or like this. That's why this range. Now the actual action will start happening once this stock started trading above $24. Okay, if it again started trading above 24, or I would say above this range, which is in between 23.64 and 24.68, let's say $25, then you will see a start of a new range or a fresh trend, because it will technically be a breakout. Okay, this is one way of looking at the current trend which you can use, and you can observe how the stock has been moving from the lows of 2016. But if I may remove this, so you can probably go back and check out this level. So if I may remove this, what you can see is a simple range where the stock is trying to move beyond $24-25. Okay, and in this case, if the stock does not fall below $15 and more specifically below $13, we have two specific targets, 24 and 25, and beyond 25 it will be a start of a new range where if I calculate the lowest end, the movement from the lowest end to the highest end of the range, it is saying 347%, and if I may apply 347%, it can give me a price target, or it will give me a price target of $104. So this is what we are looking at going forward. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.